Hi guys, I'm Vinod Kumar. Welcome to my new video. Today we're going to talk about how to survive in quarantine and coronavirus period. As we know, people are survive these days in quarantine and coronavirus. So for the bartenders, the peoples are locked down in a room and stay alone or with on family in one single room. So how we will survive? That's the main point. We're going to talk about these topics. So have you tuned, guys? My first point is very most important point, that is be fit and be strong in your home. Health is wealth, that is a main words for the peoples. If you are healthy, then you can do whatever you want. So in your home you stay alone, and might be you will be depressed and other things, many things you can think in your mind, negative, positive, whatever. So first of all, you just take care your health, eat healthy, doing exercise, and if possible you can do meditation also for the 15 to 20 minutes. That will be good, and it will help for your focusing and concentrate. So this time you have to do like this, because we know the bartender can't be sit empty hand or like freeway. We need to work, but in home, and this time it's not possible. So better we can do exercises, meditations, and other activities. Being as a bartender, we can do like practice also. So that's my main point, and we should to focus for this point. Second point is communication skills improvement. As we know, we are staying home. After all these things, we have a lots of time, so we can focus to improve our communication skills. Being as an Indian and being as an Indian bartender, so something problem in our communications. Even me also, sometime I face problem in my communication skills. Doesn't matter I can speak or you can speak in English and another language. The matter is that how to use your words and how to use your way of talking. You should be your talk like in mannerful and respectful. How to talk with the peoples according to generation. Suppose the peoples are old generation, how to give respect in your words and your communication skills. Rest other youngster and rest other ladies and all others. So the most thing is that we should to learn but these things, how to speak with them and improve your communications, use vocabularies and learn many phrases which is helpful for our operations and our industries. That will be good. So being as a free time, we can concentrate and focusing for this also. Communication skills we're going to improve. The third point is personality development. After done of communication skills, or you know as well communication skills, so now we focus in personality development. Personality development, how to stand in front of the peoples, how to represent yourself as your dressing codes, your body languages, your standing postures and all. So free on time we can focus on our personality development things, and you can improve. Lots of videos available in YouTube and other social medias. We can learn from there ki, what is we can wear dress which will be suit for us. We can just like you can do in a room like modeling types, the people do like that, wearing the your dress code and standing up in front of mirror and see your posture, which posture you looking very handsome and very beautiful and all. So being as a free time, you can do also the personality development, grooming, your haircuts, hygienes, and your way of talking. Everything come in this point. So guys, your most important thing also, this is personality development. Next topic is basic knowledge. As we know, basic knowledge is the most important knowledge. I already told you about the what is the importance of basic knowledge. I made a video about the basic knowledge and what is the importance of basic knowledge. The basic knowledge is key of success and key of your advanced level. Without basic knowledge, you can't survive. This time we have a perfect time. We can brush up our basic knowledge, gain basic fundamentals, and work out in our basic things. So, free on time, just hardly 2 or 3 hours, you can do study about the basic things. I already made a video also what is the basic knowledge and how to gain the basic knowledge. You can go and throw out that video. It will be good for you. Now I'm gonna tell you the best thing, the best formula which I already used it, and I used to do these things every time. One of big philosopher taught me these things. It will be very helpful for me, and I hope that will be good for you. Trust me, you will feel best after do this thing. The point is that make checklist your mistakes. Past is a past never come back, and we can't change our past. So we are a bartender and we are a human beings. Human beings is the statue of the mistakes. The thing is that you can do mistakes different, but don't do same again, same mistakes. So in the past you did many mistakes, many faults, many wrong things. You just make a checklist in your book or any notebook, and one by one solve the problem and recover your mistakes. Trust me, you will get a perfect result. That's the best moment you can do it. Make a checklist, just write down your mistakes, what you did in your past time. I did this and this, whatever, and realize that key what I did. After that, search the solution or search the way how to recover this. That is the best thing for you. Next point is build up your bartending community. We all are in lockdown in a room. We can't meet with the friends, with the peoples, with the colleagues, and with our friends. So best thing is that we can use social media power. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Zoom, any other sources we have to, we can connect with the peoples. For these things we can get information, connect with the peoples easily, and share our feelings, knowledge, thoughts, ideas. It is good for us. At least we getting information one by one, and any other news we can share and getting also. The best thing is that if we are in a community, so we can help each other. In free time we are alone, sometime thinking that what can we do and what will be happen. The many thoughts must become in our mind. In bartender community we can talk these things, remove our bad thoughts, any other problems, and yes, the bartenders helps each other. My last point is future plan and backup. Beside of these things which we're going to do in lockdown time, side by side we think about our future plans and backup also. We don't know lockdown will happen and when will be over, and we will start our work and resume our profession. So we don't know how will we do work again and which way. So thing is that we should do think about our future plans. Any situation will come, how we'll handle it and how we'll survive. So we guys, we have to do this. Make a plan. It will happen, so what will we do? And this is will happen, so what will we do? Beside of these things, we have to back up also. I know this time the financial problems going on and we can't get the money instantly, so we should to think about these things and do something about our future. So guys, this is my all points and topics which we have to do in our lockdown period, and it will be good for us, trust me. It's my help and it's my view for all bartenders who survive in one room lockdown situation faced. Even me also, I can understand all of you guys. So my concern and my point is that how can help you and what is in my mind, which is I share with you. I hope you like my videos and understand what I told you. So guys, I'm happy that I can use these things to share my feelings, my views, my health for of you. If you like, so please subscribe me and like me. Thank you.